the top AI automations for real estate agents. So, what's going on, everyone? I'm Russell Mortlock here, and I've been sharing a lot of information on my journey of using AI to transform my business as a real estate agent. I'm going to be sharing the top AI tools for automations that are going to transform your business and really weigh down a lot of those mundane tasks that you just absolutely used to hate doing as a real estate agent. And for me, these tasks used to take up so much of my time. Since I've started using AI to handle a lot of these tasks for me, not only has it led to me being able to focus more on what I need to do, which is going on buyer and seller appointments to increase my business, it's also made me just a lot happier overall and really loving the industry again. Even though times right now, everyone's sales have continued to go down, me and my team's sales have continued to increase solely just because we've adopted AI and been on the leading edge. Not only are we providing a better service to our clients, we've bought back so much of our time, we can focus on what really matters, which is getting more sales, which is prospecting harder. So if you're someone that wants to learn how to transform your business as a real estate agent and make more money, well, then you're going to want to go to the description and sign up for my AI course specifically just for real estate agents. So the top automation tools that I use. So number one is going to be Zapier. I personally have linked my Zapier to my Gmail, and a lot of times I'm sure you're getting this when you're going to listing appointments or you're showing buyers homes or you're just out and about and you don't have your laptop and it would take you a long time to type everything out. I've linked Zapier to my Gmail so then when I get responses from clients or get new emails in, it automatically responds to it and makes me drafts in my Gmail account where I'm just able to quickly browse through, and it takes me about 30 seconds to edit it and remove the material that I don't want, and then I send it and reply to my clients. What's the number one frustration with real estate agent is that they never actually got back to me, and I never heard from my agent, or it took them even a week just to send me an email, and it's solely because it's so easy to forget. Even with having an assistant and having people do some of these responses for you, it can be difficult to just stay up to date with things and you'd read it and never reply. Now with linking Zapier to my Gmail, I never miss any of that. It pre-does, and because I've trained my chatgpt to understand my business and to speak like me, it responds to these emails pretty much identical to how I would, and then I just have to eliminate a little bits here and then press send, and I'm able to get back to my clients instantly and serve them better. So if you're someone that wants to learn how to train ChatGPT to understand your business, go in the description. You're going to want to sign up for my course. The next automation tool is Opus Clips. So this has taken my short form content to the next level. My biggest pain point with doing a ton of short form content was the constant having to repurpose. So not only edit it, go watch the whole entire video over, try to find the best hook, mash stuff up, but then actually posting the content onto these platforms. You'd have to re-download the video, then upload it, and a couple hours later, I would finally have one short form video. Where now with Opus Clip, and how this automation works is it automatically makes me 7 videos with the best hooks at the start and gives me a virality score. Plus, it also writes the caption based off of the video on what it thinks is going to engage most of the viewers. Plus, I can post directly on the web browser to any of these platforms, to Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, directly from it. No longer having to re-download these files and then re-upload them for it to take hours upon hours. This automation is insane, and if you're someone that wants to start taking your video content creation seriously and wants to learn how to get AI to handle the bulk of the load, well then you want to go to the description and you're going to want to take my course so you can learn how to actually elevate your business using artificial intelligence.